Okay. Now it should work. Okay, let's see. Just a second. Okay, let's see if it's live. It should be. Nice. Okay.
Okay.
Sorry.
Now it should work.
I should add some problem. Okay.
Okay, let's see. Just a second.
Perfect. We had some issues.
Let's see if it's live. It should be.
Nice. Okay. I had some problem because I tried to stream directly from YouTube, and probably that was not a good idea. Let me share this again. Sorry. Okay. Just 1 second. Okay. This should work now. Perfect. Yeah, I had some problem. I didn't know why. I tried to stream directly from YouTube instead of using something like Streamlabs or Yes or StreamYard. It has been a while since I haven't done that, but can you hear me? Does that sounds good? Please let me know. That's the video device. Audio capture Yeti. It should work. Nice. I could put also some music now. Let's see. Okay. Nice, nice, nice. Okay. Perfect, perfect, Alex. Thank you. You're following me. You were also on Instagram before. So let's celebrate. Nice. So today I'm here to celebrate because something happened in my life in the last 2 weeks. The first thing that I want to celebrate is that I've become a Docker captain. So you can also make some question. I don't know exactly what's that, but I will try to explain. And another thing is that I recently started a part-time position collaboration. It's a hourly collaboration with Tiny Stacks, which is a company which works with Docker and AWS. So that's a perfect fit for me. And also they convinced me because probably I'll have a trip to San Francisco. So I'm really thrilled about that. Nice. Sorry for the problem, the issue. I should probably delete the old ones, but yeah. So I've also an announcement, but I think I'll wait a couple of minutes because yeah, hey there. Let me write. Hey Diana. Hey Diana. You are there from Instagram, right? I should do something with you in Italian because usually I create all my content in English. I also made a video this morning about how I create content in English on my YouTube channel to make practice with English. But I like your content. I've seen you probably. I don't know if Docker God, yeah. Like Eminem. Cheers, Alex. Cheers. Thank you for following me. Yeah. Also, I bought this new camera. I wanted to try with the default streaming directly from YouTube, but I failed miserably. I don't know why. So now I'm using Streamlabs and I'm streaming from that. I'm starting to hate StreamYard because of the low resolution. Since now I have this brand new camera. Hey Kush, I remember you, the boxer. I started to make way more content in the last months. I never been that kind of social person, so it's still strange to me doing something like that, but it's getting way better. I started to do Instagram live streams, Twitter spaces, and trying to do some controversial topics. And basically, I think 1 week ago or 10 days ago, I became a Docker captain. So, what is a Docker captain? A Docker captain is, first of all, it was one of my 5 years goal. So I wanted to become a Docker captain probably in 2, 3, 4, 5 years. Instead, I've been contacted directly by them. So after a couple of video calls, they told me a lot of compliments, a lot of good words. So now I'm here to support the Docker team actively. And for me, it's really an honor because I really felt in love with this technology a lot of years ago. And some years ago, it sounds so strange to become something like that, a Docker captain in some years. Yeah, Oliver, my friend, I can't even recognize you from your profile picture. Look, I see in the chat a lot of people I've invited on my YouTube channel. So I'd like, first of all, thank all of you really from the bottom of my heart, because let's say that I like Twitter, but sometimes it's a bit annoying. First of all, because you can misunderstand something, you start to argue with people, so I don't like that much. And second thing is that once I make a video call with some of you, for example, Oliver, Luke, Alex, I think we still need to make one. We'll make one soon. You get in touch, you create strong connections with people, not really fake connections, because I like social media, but they try to bring you in the like games, retweet games, comment, recomment, engage with big accounts, ignore small accounts, a lot of stuff that I really don't like. Thank you, Thomas. We need to do something together soon. Yeah, please ask me anything. Please today, because I'm here for you. I'll stay some time, but nice. Give me your tip to get your guest in interview. So first of all, Karim, thank you for coming. First of all, in the 99% of my guests, I have asked them to come on my YouTube channel. So usually, this is what I do, because I get a lot of people who send me some messages. But since you are asking here, I tell you which is the best strategy if you want to come on my YouTube channel. First of all, you should have you should have done something. You should have a reason to come on my YouTube channel. So you can send me an email explaining me what you have done, the incredible things that you have done already, and for sure, I'll read the mail and I'll reply the mail. You can even send me a message on Twitter, but I suggest you to send an email because it's longer. You can send me a message on Twitter. Don't send me like I want to come on your YouTube channel, because in that case I probably wouldn't even reply, because I look for my guests one by one. Thomas has been another of them. Dennis Ivy. Usually they are my friends, so people that I interacted already a lot on Twitter and also on Instagram. I started to, for example, 2 days ago, I invited one person from Instagram. He has like 90,000 followers. It doesn't mean a lot, but that means that he has been active on Instagram for 5 years. Jeremy Mura. We have talked about branding and design. I wish to know what is Docker technology. Nice. Kush, let me explain fast. Docker basically is a technology to package your application. So I don't know how much you are confident in creating an application. We can do an example with Node or Java. Usually for the backend, it's easier to understand that. So write me there if you already have done an application. I've done a thread a couple of weeks ago, when I explained when is the best moment to start to learn Docker. So for me, it depends. The best moment for me, of course, it could be now, but usually the best moment is when you understand, when you have done something. Imagine that you have to package something. Before to packaging something, you need to have something. You need to already have something that you can package. So you create these things that are called images, and from there you run a container. We can also talk for hours about containers if you want. What to do? Yeah, Raza. Yeah, and I'm open for everything. Today I went, I think, to 0 messages in my inbox. Sometimes it takes a lot for me to reply, like it could also be some weeks, because I get so many messages and I try to reply them all. To be honest, that was easier when I had like 3,000 on 5,000. After that, I started to lose the track a little bit. Hey Rams, thank you so much. I needed to do this last week, but then I've been contacted for this other opportunity, so I had to start. I already started on Monday, and I can also talk about this, the developer advocacy position. Check out your threads. Yeah, thank you, Kush, but I'm here if you want to talk. Yeah. Thank you so much for coming here, because without people watching my videos, this would not have sense, basically. I started on the 7th of August, so it's about 11 months. I should start celebrating the anniversary of my YouTube channel, probably. Hey Sanjay, I don't know if I pronounced that well. If I pronounce your name bad, please correct me. Thank you. I want to continue my IT study in Canada, but I have one problem. I don't have hotel costs for quarantine. Can the IT community help to build that dream? I think it depends. You should talk. I think you can work on this. I like to use Docker for WordPress themes development. You helped me a lot with the lesson you gave. We need to do the second one. That's true, look. Probably I've been too slow, but because having you on my YouTube channel, yeah, I would really talk with you for hours. I don't know, days. Your analogies are still the best. That's right. Perfect. Nice. So let's talk about the developer advocate position, and then I'll do the announcement of what I'm gonna do, especially on this YouTube channel. So I wanted to be a developer advocate since 3 months, because it's a position that I think it could be interesting for many of you. So basically, as far as I know, I also had a developer advocate at Google, Stephanie Wong. You can check that on my YouTube channel, self-promotion, shameless, of course. I'll answer you, Raza, 2 minutes, then I'll answer to you. So basically, a developer advocate is a position when you, let's say that you are an expert in a sector, but you also have communication skills. So it's not that easy as a profession, because you know the stereotypes. Usually, if you are a programmer, you'll just code in a corner silently. We are introverts without any relationship. They are all stereotypes. Some of them are true, maybe, I don't know. So basically, as a developer advocate, you work for a company to make them known, to expose their products. And there are some things that I really like about Tiny Stacks. The first thing is that they don't just came to me promote our project. Here are the money. Here is what we should do, and go. They had a way more serious approach. So they say, like, we want to help people to understand what Docker is. And I already started to work on this. I already worked on an article, then I'm turning this into a video. I'm starting recording this today, and I'll do this after this live stream. But what I really liked is that they want to help people to understand what Docker is, and then, of course, they want to promote their product. There's nothing wrong with that. So they looked very, very professional. Yeah. Probably they need to improve their social media, because they don't have a YouTube channel. Their Twitter account is like 100 followers. I think that I'll share some of them in the future. don't feel forced to follow, but it will be helpful. They don't have an Instagram account, so I'm also working on that. So I'll also manage their socials. Okay. Hey, sending you lots of hugs from Spain. Look, we need to meet one day. Please promise me this. Otherwise, I can't live anymore. Let me answer a question. Raza, I've posted a lot of pictures of my camera also on Instagram. This camera should be a Sony A7 III Alpha. I bought a version with also one lens included. It costed me more than 2,200 euros. So it has been kind of costly, kind of expensive. But I really love that. I also have something that can connect the camera directly to the power source on the wall. So that's amazing. Hi, Pankaj. Perfect. Let me show you something because I bought... Perfect. Okay. Sorry, I had some problem before, but this should be the correct one. I had some people who sent me like... we can't see anything. I don't know why. So basically now I also have these stripes under me of lights that change the color. Let's see if it works. Does it work? Okay, nice. Okay, perfect. Raza, the what was for the price, but I stressed this a lot, so you don't really need to have a lot of an expensive camera. I made some videos with my GoPro, it's over there, don't make me time like that. I made, I think, 10 interviews or something like that with the MacBook Pro integrated camera. If you check my very first interviews in the Talking with series, I think the first 10 they are recorded with the integrated MacBook Pro 2015. It's not the best one. I also, let me tell you something. I have this phone, but this phone is not really intended to be used by a content creator because I bought that right before starting being social. So I paid that like 200 euros. It's not that much in Italy. It's like a low cost phone, but I didn't know that I would have taken so many selfies, so many videos also on Instagram. I don't know if I replaced that, but for now it's working. If you have any question, that will be great. Yeah, I need to fix that. I don't know. YouTube failed me. How do channel audio for videos? As it is separate or with the camera? It depends on what I should do. For example, now I'm using Streamlabs and I can use the audio from the microphone and in a different channel. So usually I do that. It's about the content, but the quality of the cam is great. Yeah, Raza, but I waited, for example, to monetize my YouTube channel before buying this camera, because now I want to take this professionally, okay? So it depends. If you have something, you can even go to a mirrorless. We can talk about this if you want. This is also why, let me tell you what I wanna do from the next week. So I'm starting this developer advocate position. So it's an hourly position, but I'm working for them for some hours during the week. So from Monday, I'd like to make some very short live streams on YouTube. I'll start from that, then this could evolve into something else, when I'll explain about my job as a developer advocate. Sorry. A couple of days ago, I made a video about how you should, it was yesterday, about how you should document what you do on your YouTube channel, on this also could be related to Instagram and other social media, of course. So the best way to create videos is to document what you're doing. If you are a woodcutter, you should probably make a video of you cutting a tree or something like that. Since now I'm starting this position as a developer advocate, I want to help other people to know what developer advocate position is. If you could enjoy this, so I'll share what I'm gonna do, what I've done, what I'm gonna do during the week. So do you like this idea or not? Hey, ciao. I don't know if I pronounced that well. Ciao? Ciao, Charles? Or ciao? Ciao. Ciao in Italian is like hi. Nice. Perfect. Now I'm not sure the wrong one. Okay. Let me share this on some other platforms, please. Hold on just a second. Wait. So do you like this idea? Nice. Yeah, if you have any question about, for example, if you want to see something specific, because for example, I see a lot of questions about what I use, the lights, the camera, the microphone. So I see that people are really interested into that. I've never done a real video about that. So you are right. Yeah, because I think at the end of the day we could also make different. We can use different technologies. We can make videos of different topics. To be honest now, I starting to don't watch too much content, because when you start creating content, you basically stop watching that, or I watch the content less. They tell the video on your position. Secret at the end, reduce the stress of content ideas. Yeah, right. So, Kush, are you talking about the video on the developer advocate position? So I really want to make this, I don't know if to make this a series, a live streams, a small polished video. So I think that I'll go live for half an hour on Monday when I'll explain in details what I've done before. I can make some spoilers now. Hey, thank you. Ciao. I don't know if I pronounced it well. And what can I say? What I can say is that start creating videos really changed my life, because I wanted to make this like for 2008, something like that, 2010, something like that. But I was really afraid. I really was fearing the judgment, and I didn't want to expose myself. So probably if you're watching this, you could be in the same position as me. You watch other content creators. Yeah, I watch some of my friends' content, but not that much anymore. Probably not having a TV in my house also helps. So if I just check content, usually it's just Twitter, Instagram, or other friends or super good YouTube channels. So for example, this is what I check now. Yeah. Hey, Sahil, congratulations on your new position. Hoping to see more of your tech content soon. Yeah, I'm starting to record some videos, but I'll publish them on the Tiny Stacks YouTube channel. So I'll post some links, of course, so you can check them, but it's always me. So they want to publish some Docker-related videos on their YouTube channel, some articles and something like that. Let me see if I can change the color. Do you see? Basically, I have this, and I can control the. Hopefully, nice, great. Okay, nice. So I'd like to know if you. I'd like to know if you wanna know something specific, because, for example, yeah. Gotta sell my TV now. No, you don't need to sell your TV. For me, I really don't feel the needing of having a TV. I even don't have Netflix. When I need to check something funny, I just open Twitter, and usually that's that's funny enough. So that's it. Yeah. Thank you. By the way, thank you for coming. I've also one of the things that I really would like to improve is to schedule content. This is something that I'm really struggling at this because I create a lot of content, but I need to schedule that more. For example, this live stream, I've just decided to do this today, and I've done this today. Thank you, Kush. Thank you again. Your other channel. See, yes, basically it's me producing content for this company. Nothing wrong with that. I really love their approach. They are not super promotional. They want me to create some series about Docker. And of course, you will get some ideas of how you can use their product, of course. I still need to understand. Hey, Manish! Yeah, I hope that a knife is just to cut the cake. Yeah. It's my birthday in one month. I'm Pankaj. I am the funny one on Twitter. I try. I'm not always funny. I try to be funny, but sometimes I'm not. Nice. I was really looking forward for this. Yeah. Probably I should have done this before. I don't know. I should have done 2 live streams just to bother you. And yes, so today is Friday, so tomorrow I don't think that I'll publish any video. On Sunday I have a live stream on Instagram. I'm starting to make Instagram live streams. I've done one Instagram live today with Kyle Prinslow. So I'm enjoying Instagram. They seem to like so much the setup pictures. Okay, I can share them because I've worked on this space kind of a lot. I've improved. If you see, for example, my interviews, I've changed, it's always the same room, but I've changed the position of the camera so many times, like from here, from the other side, on the other side, on this side. Now I think that I found peace. Yeah. Please, if you need help, just tell in the comments and I'll try to help you as much as I can. We are there to see you try. It gets funny down the line. Hey, great. Where are you from? I would like to, because I know that a lot of people that follows me on YouTube from the statistics, they are from India, but this is also why I've done this live stream at 4:30 a.m. Scott, my friend, we need to make another live stream soon. I think that I'm planning a live stream with Scott and other people. You will never find peace, never. When I'll be dead. Scott, I'm starting a series, or let's say just a video for now. I'm not sure that this will be a series. About developer advocate position. So probably I will need help from other people who are already a developer advocate. And I think that you are, Scott. So I would love to hear, for example, what you do, what you don't do. I'm not sure if a developer advocate if they do always the same thing across all the companies. I don't know. Some companies, they just need, thank you, Scott. Thank you so much. I don't know if all the developer advocates, they do all the same stuff. For example, I'm creating content, posting content, managing the social media, and so other stuff. I don't know if you can just go to conferences, make some talks, but I think that this would be really funny. This has been something that I have been looking for some months, I think. But let's say this. You are talking about my streaming setup? With whom, Scott? You are a developer advocate, yes. Nice. It's different from company to company, Scott. Hey, Swag Emmanuel. I've seen you already somewhere. I can't remember now where. Del Spells, congrats, France. What are you excited about the most for your new role? The most exciting thing is that basically I'll be paid to create YouTube videos, because creating YouTube videos, some people could think that could be so you can get a lot of money, but for example now I'm getting like $1 per day, and I've posted like 200 videos or something like that. So by having the possibility to create some videos for another company, but I can test the audio, the video, the transitions, try to fix the audio, the editing part, by being paid. For me, it's really a dream. And this is still related to development. So this was really something that I really wanted to do. Hey Krishna, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yeah. And by the way, I've seen so many of my friends who are becoming developer advocates. Pauline, Hassan, Scott, Eleftheria, a lot of people which have been on my YouTube channel, they are starting this position. So I'd like to share what I do, because it's different by being just a developer. Of course, a developer you just code, just a person who codes. A developer advocate is more, you need to improve your communication skills. So this is why I stress so much on this. Because I've seen so many very great developers who can't put what they really know out. Probably they are introverted. I've been one of them, so I'm still an introvert, by the way. So my mission is really to try to help people to get out of their shells, because I think that there are so many. Yeah, when will be seeing your journey till now? About which journey are you talking about? From the beginning? From when I was okay. Yeah. So this is why I've been working toward developer advocate position for the last 2 years or so. Okay, Scott. I think, but was it always the same company, for example? Because I don't know if you have worked for the same company as a developer advocate for 2 years. Hey, Hakan, I don't know if I pronounced that well. Silvernagel, Hakan Silvernagel. Did I get it? Did I get it? By the way, since we're joking about this, my name is Francesco. So if you won't pronounce that well, it has a C instead of an S. But it's okay. You can also say Francisco, San Francisco, France, or whatever you want. Until I understand that, that's fine. That's fine. Thank you everyone for coming. I wanted to do this, since days. I would like to know, how do you manage time? Managing personal time and being active on social takes a lot of time. Thank you. This is really a great question. So my idea is that I know myself. I know that I'm more productive in the early morning hours and less productive in the evening hours. So what I do is usually I go to bed very early, 10 p.m. It's not very early, it's early. Then I wake up very, very early, like 4 a.m., 5 a.m. And when I wake up, I take a coffee and then I go for a walk immediately. I take my phone, I reply to some messages while I walk. I walk about 15 to 20 kilometers per day. And then if I have time, I come back home, I make some exercises, not that much. It depends of the time, it depends if I want to do that. Then I take a shower, and then I make breakfast, and then I sit out on the computer, and then my day starts. And usually that's about like 7:30, 8 a.m. So if I am good, by the 10 a.m. I already I've done exercises, done workout. So I already have done probably a couple of tasks. I've published some videos, I don't know, I've worked on something. So my idea is to trying to anticipate everything. I can also tell you that I still live alone. I have a girlfriend, but we just met during the weekends. So of course I am free, I am alone, I don't have pets, I don't have children. So this is why, for example, why I respect so much parents who are also developers or they work in general, because for me they are really the superheroes of this community. So it's not really a secret. I still have some free time. Excited to know more about your journey to reach this position. Yeah, I think that the Docker captain and the developer advocate positions are connected in some ways, because this company has contacted me seriously with a serious offer after I became a Docker captain. So I think that they're connected in some ways. So we can talk about this. I'd like to create a series when I show you what is a developer advocate position for me. I only just started as a developer. Okay, Scott. So you have started a new position now, because I know we have been contacted. For this. Yeah, and I think we should collaborate. For example, I would like to know if developer advocates they can collaborate as also content creators, because of course, as developer advocate, you can also, I think, collaborate with someone else. Let's change the color. Let's see. Blue. Great. Okay, nice. Thank you everybody for coming. I think tomorrow I'll relax a little bit. I'll just pick some posts on Twitter. On Sunday I'll make a live stream on Instagram. I still may need to figure out which one could be the next Twitter space. I have a couple of ideas, but I'm still waiting for a couple of answers. But I like to make Twitter spaces about not technical topics, like which is the best JavaScript frameworks, but more about human skills, communications, how to build a community. I want to make, for example, one Twitter space about managing the stress. I want a beer now, Scott. Come here. I have another beer in my fridge. You are losing something, my friend. This Udoldo. God damn you, Scott. Yeah. I'm also planning live stream with some of my active supporters, because I have a GitHub sponsors link, and basically all the people that they are actively supporting me will be on my YouTube channel, and we talk about support for content creators. Twitter poll about that. About what? I can make a poll. Let's try this. Do you like polls? Let's see if it works. I've never done this. Where is this? Okay. I don't know. Okay. There we go. Nice. I like this. So I can make a poll during the live stream. Nice. 100%. I love that. I love them. You could use this. Nice. For the next Twitter space. So I have a couple of ideas. The first one will be like grifting on social media, which is basically, I think, like trying to use social media to just improve your account and take some money out of that, or maybe just improving following. I don't know the exact definition. How do we know that's Heineken beer inside and not White Claw? The spells, because you have not been on this live stream since the beginning, because I've opened this live. You disappoint me. What's your take on Twitch? Why publish only on YouTube? This is a great question. I love this. I want to wait because on Twitch I would like to have already a polished version. I'm talking with some designers to create something, so this is why I've not started Twitch. So let's try. Do you like both? Yeah, for example, I'd like to start things that I'd like to start. Let's try. Let's make a poll. I love this. Next, you are done, Francesco Corleone. My grandfather was from Sicily, but he fought my mafia. Next, social to conquer. So let's make Instagram, Twitch, or TikTok. Let's see. Option. Please don't vote TikTok. I've started to be more active on Instagram lately. So, I have a question. Do you like the idea? Do you like the idea to make these live streams probably on Monday when I explain, for example, what I'm gonna do for this developer advocate position? Great. By the way, the time on live streams really flies every time. Nice. Nice. Perfect. Are you watching final on Sunday? Probably I will. I'm not a super fan of football. I know that Italy is in final, but I don't know. Probably I'll take a look. It depends. Thank you so much for coming here. If you want to ask me something, this is the best time to ask me something, because I get so many questions in direct messages. Nothing wrong with that. Instagram 43%, Twitch 43%. Wow. You don't like TikTok? Great. I'm trying to be more active on Instagram, but yeah. Okay, Kush. For the time, I still don't know. I would like to make this in the early morning. As I said before, I like to take a walk. When I come back home, make a breakfast. I take a shower, then I sit on my PC, and I could make a live stream at, I don't know, 8:30, 9, and I'll talk exactly about the developer advocate position, because I had so many people asking me, what is this? What are you gonna do? How can I become a developer advocate? Do you like TypeScript? Yeah, Tanzim. Yeah, I like it. I like TypeScript a lot. Well, wait to an idea. Yeah. So also I'd like to make more live streams. TikTok ban in India. Wow, really? Is that banned in India? Why? Why is banned in India? I didn't know this. Why they are banning stuff? No, I don't know. By the way, Instagram 43%, Twitch 43%, TikTok 14%. Come on, vote. By the way, are you active on everyone on Twitter, or are you also coming here for? If you're not here from Twitter, please write it down on the chat, because let's say that in my opinion, the best way to use social media is to start from one social media. So don't try to use different social media at the same time. For example, for me, let me share my story if you want to listen to that, of course. First of all, I was active only on Twitter. I reached like 25,000 followers on Twitter. Then I started YouTube. And now I'm 4,000 on YouTube. I've started Instagram. So don't start all the socials at the same time, because it's really time consuming. What language is most sorry. What language is mostly used by Italian companies? Node, which is really not a language, JavaScript, PHP, Java, or .NET. I don't know, Tanzim. I don't have statistics of all the Italian companies, but I think it depends. I've used mostly Node. Pankaj. I pronounced that well, Pankaj. I need to make some live streams when I learn Hindi. If you want to talk in Hindi, and if you want I can teach you Italian, we will make some dedicated sessions. Hey Kush, nice. I recognize you even if you don't have a profile picture with your face, because I recognize you. I have another question for you if you are still watching. Would you like me to share some of the statistics of my YouTube channel? Because I've been on YouTube for about 1 year already, so I think that I have some interesting statistics to share. So would you like, for example, a dedicated video about this? Because I don't know, I call them like statistics porn. you watch the lines grow and then go down and then go up again. Wow, what happened here? Why? And I can explain because this has been kind of funny. Yeah. Let's see. Finally, I have a decent quality on these videos. I've tried this for so much. Perfect pronunciation. Do you know what's the secret? When I need to pronounce an Indian name, I just pronounce that as if it were Italian. I just pronounce that without trying to do something strange. Usually, I take that. Okay, so one day I'll make an Hindi Italian session. If you're interested into that, send me a message on Twitter and we will organize this. Promised. It doesn't matter the number of followers. What do you like JWT for API authentication? I've used the JWT for Java and for JavaScript. I know which word is this, Pankaj. Yeah, of course, we will start with bad words and I love you, or something like that. Okay, Kush. I'm thinking, since I've created my first YouTube video on the 8th of August 2020, I think that on the anniversary, I'll watch some of my videos. This will be super funny because in my very first video, you can see my socks. Because they were like running videos. Some of them are really bad quality, but it was not the fault. Just 1 second. It was not the fault of this GoPro, but it was more like me. I didn't know anything about making videos, really. For me, it was super hard even to understand how I could do something decent. Hey, Shupprabhat, Namaste. Sounds about Indian people watching your content. I can do this, Manish. So I need to check this, but probably I'll make like an anniversary of YouTube on my same YouTube channel. You are Al Pacino of program. Tanzim, that's too funny. By the way, for example, if you like a content creator, one of the best ways for you also to get followed back, to interact with him, is to go on their live streams, interact with their channel. Yeah. Don't think that if a person has, 20,000 of followers on Twitter, and it has 10,000 of subscribers on YouTube, it's an alien. We are all humans. Probably if a person has a lot of subscribers on YouTube, has made some good videos. Yeah. But I love interactions. Yeah. Nice. Thank you everybody for coming. Yeah. So let's see the poll. Instagram has won. Incredible. Please vote next social to conquer, because I've been more active on Instagram, so I'm super excited because I want to create more content on Instagram. I don't know. I should post some more setup pictures. I post I've posted a picture of my swag of the Tab 9, which is a company which is like a VS Code extension to write more code. And it just got like 100 likes, which for me is kind of a lot. And I don't know why. Instagram 55%. Do you live in Rome? Yeah, Tanzim, I live in Rome. And I really like this. Where do you live? Where do you live? Where are you from? Where are you from? Where are you from, all? If you are active in chat, I would like to know this. Let's see how fast you are. Yeah, of course, Pankaj. Pankaj Patel. Can I suggest you something, Pankaj? I don't know if this is the same picture also on Twitter, but I can't see you because the profile picture is so small that I can barely see your body. You can't. I've also talked about this with Kush, for example, but he has some reasons to don't put his profile picture. But you can't understand how much difference makes to have your face on your profile picture and having not. Because I know that I had like a picture of me with sunglasses. It's easier to get followers and yeah, Bangladesh and Mumbai, nice, yeah. If you want to make more interactions, if you want people following you, it's not only about what you write content on, but it's more about you need to put your face on socials, basically. I know, it's hard. Instagram. Let's end this poll. Sorry. Nice. Where is the poll? I lost it. Okay. Instagram, 58%. Okay, so this is great. Are you on Instagram? Yeah, don't feel pressured, but it can really help. By the way, let's make some spoilers I like to make spoilers for people who watch my live streams. So next week I'll publish an interview with Syed, which is the Hashnode CEO. Do you know Hashnode? Do you know what is that? Face value. Yeah. And then I think that I'll also interview Shruti. I don't know if you know there. Not Shruti Balaza, but another Shruti. Let's see, was there? Shruti Kapoor. I'll interview soon on my YouTube channel. Nice. Thank you for coming here. I like the quality of this camera. Nice. What's wow? Support. Nice. So, live streams. What can we make a poll about? I agree about face. I have multiple Google accounts, and the only way to differentiate is different picture. Yeah, Pankaj. Oh, now I see you. Yeah, you look amazing. Great. Because, for example, if someone has a big account, so he has a huge following, it's super hard to recognize someone. Yeah. You will watch this soon. I think next Wednesday. Yeah, I need to start scheduling more my interviews, but because I make interviews, some of them are live, some of them are recorded. The one with Sid, it will be recorded, so it will be polished without interruptions. I don't know if you like that. This is this. Interviews. So let's see, for example, if you like. Yeah, I've seen that, Pankaj. Interviews. Do you prefer that live or offline? This is interesting for me, for example. Nice. Pratam. I've had many Pratam. Do you play games? This is great. Dev spells. Maybe in some stream we can watch you play. Okay, so let's share some secrets about me since you're watching me now. Grazie mille. Milles thousands. Hey Hakan. I don't know if I pronounced it well. I'll come to Norway one day because Michael Irwin, Docker Captain, one of my favorite ones. Don't say this around, please. I like your profile picture. I loved your talk in the DockerCon. One of my favorite ones. I've put that in my highlights almost in the integral version. Don't say this around. Otherwise, people will start hating me. CSS Guru Pratam. I had Pratam on my YouTube channel some days ago for the launch of his book. Do you know this? Michael, we need you more on YouTube. Do you have a YouTube channel, Michael? I think Michael is one of the best Docker Captains, best people. When you explain, probably it's because you work in a university. Saurav from Twitter. I'm planning to do some very long live streams, like 20 hours, something crazy, because I don't know, I like crazy challenges. I think the longest live stream that I've taken so far, it's like 8 hours, to be honest, 2-4 hours live streams of me like creating an article, creating the code, and then publish that on Hashnode. But I would like to try something different, like, I don't know, 24 hours, something crazy. Would you like to see that? Would you stick with me? I didn't know that I would have loved YouTube so much. About the games. Sorry, Dev Spells. Do you play games? Maybe in some streams we can watch you play. Okay. So I've been almost a professional gamer. I've played a lot in my life. I've played Diablo, StarCraft, StarCraft 2, many Blizzard games. I've played World of Warcraft for years, almost professionally. I've played a game, some web game. The last game that I've really played is Dark Souls 2016, I think. But now I don't have time no more for games. It's strange because when I was living in my house with my parents, I say, okay, when I'll go living alone, I'll just get a job and just play all day long. Instead, I almost stopped playing games when I came in this house. It's my house and I live this alone. I need to pay bills. I need to work to sustain that. Michael Irwin, I technically have a channel, but I haven't done too much with it yet. I've thought about it quite a bit and have the equipment. Just have to find the time. Excuses. It's just about because we have 5 children. These are all excuses. If you want, I would love to do something with you, Michael. Really, really. I would love to do that. Teaching at the university has definitely helped me polishing my skills. Yeah, why we don't create a video together? You can also go live stream on your YouTube channel. I'm open to everything with you. For me, it's strange to talk with you because I've seen you on Brett Fisher's live streams so many times. It's strange that now we're talking like this. Like creating a Twitter thread on your life experience in 24 hours. What do you mean, Saurav? I'm into Overwatch quite a bit. It's my unwind activity at the end of most days. Yeah. My brother is very good at playing games. I have a brother. I don't play too much now. I have so many things to learn, so many things to try. Yeah. So let me repeat, for example, for some people who are just came recently. So basically, three things happened just in my life. The first thing is that I became a Docker captain. I'm super happy about this. Now I am a colleague of Michael Irwin, Brett Fisher, a lot of people that are really like looking like that, like a fan. And now I am one of them. Idea for live stream. Twitter thread on your life experience. Okay. Do you say during the live stream I create a thread? Twitter thread during a live stream. Could work. Nice. Arvind, want vlogs back in your channel? Here I am. So I also became a developer advocate for Tiny Stacks, and I'm already creating some content for them. Blog. I'm starting recording a video. I'm trying to creating the social channels. Need them for speed. So the idea and the announcement is that on Monday, probably, I'm not sure about that, I still need to announce that, please stay tuned. I want to document this journey as a developer advocate. So I don't know if you know what's that. I don't know exactly what is this, but it's basically you promote actively that company, and you need to be a developer, I think. So you need to be technical expert, and then you explain something about the company. So you need to be both technical and also have communication skill. It's not that easy. It's not that easy to be a developer advocate. I made a tweet some days ago about I will tweet about how being a developer advocate is cool. I am a developer advocate. Thank you for coming on my live streams. It really means a lot. This is one of the reasons why I do these live streams. So if you like this content, if you like what I do, the best way is come. Robert, you are late. Where have you been, Robert? I want to hear your excuse. I love Robert. I love the quality of his camera. I think it's the same, or maybe not. But yeah. Yeah. Do you know that exactly 1 year ago I had not a YouTube channel? So it looks so strange to me. I had just Twitter. I made the very first video where I talk on internet the 25th of July 2020. So more than 1 year ago. More than 1 year ago, you had never seen my face, probably yes, but not me speaking in a video. Oh, nice. Congratulations once again. Thank you, Pankaj. Do you think it is possible to be a developer advocate without being socially present and a large following? I think yes, but I think those things are connected, because it's like I don't know. If you are, for example, I don't know, like in public relations, something like that, you need to know a lot of people. So you don't need like huge following. Of course, it depends on the company. But think about, you have a company. You want a developer advocate. Would you hire someone who has not a social presence? Probably not. But for example, for me, if I would have a company, it will be a prerequisites, and not only a huge following, because that's not enough. It should also be a good following. So if you have 500 of thousands of people, but they are all haters, I will not hire you. Will you live stream the TDD conference happening tomorrow? I didn't even know that there were a TDD conference happening, but since if all the content that I create on my YouTube channel and also on Twitter, it must be related to Docker in some ways. So I'll not just live stream something just for the sake of streaming. So I think the answer here is no, Arvind. Your live streams are very chilling. Thank you for having this one on Friday. I like Fridays because I think it's one of the best days to make this kind of live streams. I wanted to do this probably last week, but I really had no time. So much progress in 1 year. Yeah, Krishna. Yeah. Let's make another poll. Do you make videos? No. Let's say like... do you make... no, this is the question. Do you make videos? No. Yes. Sorry. Yes. No. But I'd like to. No. I don't want. Because. No. Sorry. No. How can I delete this? I can't. No. I don't know. Nice. Perfect. I like these polls. Great point on being on the other side of the other advocate's company and try to hire yourself. Thanks for the answer. Yeah. Yeah, Pankaj. You need to think about this. Let's see. I'd like to know, for example, if you want to make videos, because I really would like to help someone else to make videos, because it can really open to so many opportunities. For example, this is what happened to me. Robert, is that you? That you said yes? Robert has a great YouTube channel. So, what's the problem? Because, for example, for me it was just the fear of the judgment of people watching my videos. So, yeah. So you need to be shameless. This is usually what I say. If you are shameless, nice, Pankaj. Actually, I make a lot of videos, but I don't share. Pankaj, you are really on the right track. I love this. Because if you make videos, even if you don't share them, you are practicing. You are like practicing dancing alone at your house. This is something. Don't give up, because you are on the right track. You can share them to me or to some small people, some people that you like, some of your friends, because let me tell you something, Pankaj. You need the feedback. You need the feedback of someone else, because you can think, okay, this is the best video in the world. I've done the best video in the world, and someone says, I don't like that. I can't understand that. So if it's just one person, it could be like a hater, someone who doesn't know you. But if you get like 10 people saying that your audio is low, So you need to fix that. For example, I have always this problem with this phone. I always had the low audio. So you are really on the right track, Pankaj. Really good luck. Good luck. Let me also like this. Good luck, Pankaj. Nice. Okay. Nice. So for now, 71% of the people say no, but I'd like to. And 1 year ago, I was exactly in the same position. No, but I'd like to. So you should start from the problem, and you can solve this. We can work together on this, because this is a problem which really matters to me, because I think that videos can really be super powerful. It's different since being just text or article. Basically, you save time. I've started to make some YouTube shorts. I don't know if you ever seen one of my YouTube shorts. Yeah, Pankaj, but I can really understand you. Trust me. I can really understand you. I can feel the struggle, because it's hard to expose yourself. It's really hard. But let's make music videos for my girl. Nice. Think about this. If you make videos even if you are an introverted, if you don't want to do, but you can help someone else. Like I'm doing this now. I'm doing this now for you, to try to help you to start making videos. And it will never be too late. It's not too late. It's not too late. The earlier the better, I agree. But you can reach me out. We can organize some groups. We can organize some video calls. Do you want to hear something funny? Okay. What's happening? Would love to know your ways of making side income apart from YouTube. Eddie, Jaude, finally you are here. Jim, hey Francesco, wow, great friends. Nice, 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 nice. %50 no. Please vote this poll. Does this poll shows just at the top? I know there are so many people who would love to make videos, but they don't want to. So let me share some secrets, something that really helped me. In my opinion, the best way to create a public video, which also worked for me, I was really the person who would have never do a video, is to make a thank you video. I made a thank you video on 25th of July. So for example, you reach 1,000 followers on Twitter, 5,000 followers on Twitter, 1,500, 500, it doesn't matter. You make a short video, 20 seconds, you say like, thank you so much for following me. You say something positive. You can, for example, for me, let me show this because this could be helpful for someone else. The only near love. Hedy, how are you? Arvid. The poll shows up at the bottom until your video, then it goes on the top. Okay, nice. So basically I wanted to thank the people for the 20,000 followers on Twitter. So I wrote a tweet, okay? Let's say like, thank you from the bottom of my heart because you make Twitter a better place to stay, something like that, to find new job opportunities, to connect with people, and also to laugh, something like that, something super simple. I wrote the tweet, then I said, okay, I can do better than this. I can record a video of me saying this exact script. And this is basically what I did. Because I think that a thank you message it's one of the easiest one. You don't need to say something specific. You don't need to save the world. You don't need to have the peace in the world. You can just say thank you to all your followers. It's a it's a great way to start. And if you do a video where you say thank you, a lot of people will say thank you Pankaj or thank you Francesco. So it's a great way to start making videos. The only beer I love. You mean this? It's almost over. To be honest, I don't drink that much beer. Only on live streams. Usually I just drink water. Let's say, please vote. Vote. Have a good day. Sorry I'm late. What did I mean? Eddie, I'm doing a recap soon. Please stay with me. What's that Anakin? You are my man. Eddie, how are you? I had to fetch my food. I am sorry for being so late. I'm not forgiving you, Robert. Now you need to do something. Can I ask if you follow Euro 2020? It's about Italy being on the finals on your social media. That's okay. First of all, I'm not a super fan of football. This is strange for being an Italian. And I don't have a TV, so I just have a PC. I just checked the result. I sent a couple of messages to Eli Howe, which is from Spain. He poked me like Italy will have a lesson from Spain, and he lost. So I replied with some funny gif. But the idea for me is to use Twitter just for coding stuff. So I can make jokes, I can talk about Docker, I can talk about videos. but usually always tech and just making video stuff. So this is the reasons. Yeah, Kush, this is a great idea to start recording what you code. Yeah. I don't know why, but for me, when I talk about making videos, I think you should put your face on. I made a short about that. So you could just record your screen, but that should not just be a decision to make a video, a polished video. So you need to be prepared to expose yourself, put your face on that, put your voice on that. Do you want to know something funny? I spoke in my very first words on a YouTube video on the 11th video. I made 10 videos without saying one single word. Do you know why? Because I thought that my English was really bad, and it's still bad. Probably now most of you can understand me, but before that I really felt so bad when I tried to record something, and that was really bad because I've watched so many videos in English. I read so many books in English, but I didn't make practice on that. I made a video about that today. So let's end this poll. Would you like to vote? Do you make videos? Yes. No, but I'd like to. No, I don't want. 0% of the people are saying no. And saying that they don't want video and no. So we need to convince this 50%. England versus Italy tomorrow. It is, Eddie. I have not, Robert, but thank you so much. I'll take this as a compliment. Let me tell you something funny. In Italy, especially in Rome, we have a very strong R. We say like Roma, Francesco. This is how I pronounce my name. Okay, not Francesco, but Francesco, Roma, R. We have this strange R sound. So when I watch my old videos, I hear that R, and it's really hard for me to watch those videos. I want to just put them down. We have 50% of the people who are making videos on this YouTube channel. So basically this is a YouTube channel. Okay, I'll end the poll in 1 minute. Please vote. It's so strange. It's so strange to talk to an object, but it's getting way better. Let's see. Thank you for coming, by the way. You really made my day. It's really great. Yeah. Sorry, I was checking. Thank you. Okay, let me check. Oh, finally I have... Okay, I have one person who says that no, and I don't want to make videos. That's totally fine. But check the results. 16 votes, okay, not that much, but okay. So 50% of the people that are watching this video, they are ready to make videos. So it's like, should be like 8. So there should be 7 people out there who would like to make videos, which is kind of a lot. Just in a live stream with 14 people. So what's the best way? I'm starting to make some YouTube shorts about this, because I think that creating videos, it's hard because, first of all, you don't have the feedback of the person who are watching. If you talk to someone, say, okay, hi, and they do like this, okay, you understand, okay, why they're looking me at this in this way, and you can change your attitude. When I talk to this camera, I don't have the feedback. So at the beginning I say, okay, it's like talking to the void, but it's not, because, for example, you now are watching this live stream now. So I'll have the feedback, probably a little bit delayed, but I'll have. Your name is Robert. My brother names is Roberto, something like that. Yeah. How do I do a poll in the chat? I don't know, Eddie. I have this feature just above just aside the super chat. So let's say like, do you know Do you know Eddie Jaude? Let's see. Eddie, you can't vote. Just one moment. Perfect. So, do you know Eddie Jaude? This is the most important poll of this live stream. Vote, come on. Come on, no. 80% no. Strange. You should fix that. Sorry. Nobody know you, Eddie. Oh my god. You should fix this. 83% they don't know you. Eddie, what have you done? You're not famous. Yeah, Eddie, go on that. Go on that. Nice. I love this idea of the polls because you can interact with people. I'm not that good at live streams, to be honest. I'm not a super. There are people like Foreign Pop, also Eddie. Other people are really great at the live streams. I'm not that good, but I can improve. 80% no. You should fix this, man. People. You should really fix this. Nice. Okay, now someone is voting yes. So let's recap for probably new people. By the way, this is going pretty well. I have another idea for a poll, but I'll make this later. So a couple of things. I became a new Docker captain. What is a Docker captain? A Docker captain is like an ambassador for Docker, for the Docker company. It's like a person who's a voluntary person who puts out content about Docker. We also have access to beta preview features. I made my very first briefing with all the Docker captains yesterday. I can't say anything about that, but it has been really great. And another thing that happened to me, it has been that I became a developer advocate. They offered me a full-time position, but I wanted just to make an hourly freelancing position. So I started to collaborate with them, and I'll start on Monday to share my experience, so I'll document my journey as a developer advocate. So I'm super excited about this because I don't really know this position, this job. So I want to share with you my experiences from zero. So for example, if you want to become a developer advocate, you can come on Monday, ask me questions. How do I become a developer advocate? What do you do? So you can also understand if you like this or not. If you would like to try, if you don't want to try that and you just want to write code. Francesco Ciulla, great space. Scott, Arvind, Kush, Abihan. What's Francesco Ciulla? I don't even know that, so it's something that probably Arvind invented. 10 votes. 8 people, they don't know Eddie. You should fix this pretty soon. Nice. I see a lot of people here. Someone just followed me. Okay, nice. Follow me on Twitter. Of course. Do that. Come on. Nice. This is great. So, a lot of stuff that I'll do next week. I'm writing an article and I'm starting recording a video about Docker, of course, for Tiny Stacks, which is this company which I'm the current developer advocate. In about 10 days, I should make a video, a live stream on my YouTube channel about support for content creators. So some people, they actively support me. They give money to me every month, each month. So I want to give back by show them during a live stream, to thank them, ask them what they are currently doing, and something like that. Yeah. Another thing that is that on the 7th or 8th of August, I'll make the first anniversary of my YouTube channel. So exactly 1 year ago, I had 0 videos. Now I've published like 200. And I'd like to share some statistics porn. We can also watch some videos together if you want. It will be really cringe to me. So, for example, do you like this idea of creating like an anniversary event, live stream on my YouTube channel? To be honest, I had the idea to monetize my YouTube channel in 2 years, 3 years. Instead, I did that in 6 months. So, I'm super, super happy about this. Yeah. Nice. Let me share this. Perfect. Nice. Perfect. Nice. Do you have any questions? This is the best place to ask me anything, because I have so many people. They send me like a direct messages on Twitter. I try to reply to all of you, but for example, if you make a question now, I can answer and someone else can get the reply. So this is the best place. Statistics porns, Robert. I have some huge spikes. That will be funny. I have a couple of huge spikes, but I'll do them. You need to stick with me. So for example, for now I'm active on Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, and YouTube, which is kind of a lot. It's basically a job. Now I'm also starting this developer advocate position, and I want to probably do a TikTok before the year ends. I don't know if I can do this. Probably not. I don't know. Probably I'll fail at this goal. But 75% of people, they don't know Elijah Wood. The GitHub starts. You should fix this. Oh, my beer is almost over. Nice, Robert. This is a very great question. Why did you choose to have a freelancing consulting position instead of full-time? Because I had already a full-time position before. I was working for the European Space Agency. It was also kind of highly paid. But I want freedom. I want the flexibility. I want to be free to work whatever I want. I want to work with for also different clients at the same time. Because if I get hired, I go full time. It's basically the same as I did before. Pankaj, gotta go. It was really great to hang out, Francesco. Thank you so much for a motivational push. Have a great weekend, everyone. Thank you so much, Pankaj. So the idea is I want more freedom. And I don't want just to stop what I'm currently doing on social media. And I want just to try if this developer advocate position works for me, if I like that. For now, I really love that because basically they are paying me to create videos. So it's a great opportunity for me because I'm basically being paid for what I like to do. And I know I probably could make those videos and put them on my YouTube channel, but I can always make another video. So it's not about that. It's about becoming better at creating videos, and that's it. So this is the idea. Yeah. Thank you so much. Already 1 hour and a half has passed. This is great. I'm super happy about this. Nice. Thank you so much. Great. So the idea, just let me repeat, on Monday probably I'll make a short live stream, just half an hour, and I'll explain what I'm doing as a developer advocate. So today I just said something, write some articles, something like that. On Monday I want to explain exactly what I do. So what I handle. I need to handle social media, I need to create content, I'm creating a written article and a video on that. I'm also in contact with some of the people on Hashnode team, so I may push to become a developer advocate next year. Kinda scared, so I have never had to work outside of where I live. Yeah, Robert, I think that you could try. Of course, developer advocate is just a name. You can even just, for example, you can just, I don't know, like decide with a company that you will make, I don't know, like 1 video per month, something like that. You don't need to put a label on yourself like I am a developer advocate, okay? I like this name, but you can even just create some videos about that. I'm in contact with Tatas Petra, also a developer. Basically, all of my friends are developer advocates now. Let's end this poll. You don't know ID Jawood. This is your problem. It's not his problem. Nice. The 9th of July today. Great. My beer is over. It took me like one hour and a half to finish one single beer. Nice. But I really enjoyed this. If you want to ask me anything. Nice. So if you like this idea, so I don't know if I could also share my screen on Monday. I need to figure it out. And yeah, so if you have everyone is a developer advocate. I don't know why, Robert, also me. Yeah, but it's good. The best thing is that you can create content being paid. So, and of course, if you have a YouTube channel, but usually the effort you put to create some video is not rewarded that much from YouTube. Of course, if you are super consistent, you start getting some euros. But for me, it's not really worth from what you do. For example, I don't know, like you work for, I don't know, like 100 of hours and you get some 100 euros, something like that. I don't know if that's worth. Instead, for example, if you work as a developer advocate, as I'm doing for 1 year, 2 years, for sure, after a couple of years, you will be better at making videos. So after that, you can always make videos on the new upcoming features. By the way, I still need to do a GitHub pilot video. So let's make the last poll. GitHub Copilot video. Yes, not, yes, no. What the hell is GitHub Copilot? No, just 1 second. Okay, I love this. Nice. I really love this camera. Just let me change the colors. Do you know that I can change the colors behind me? Let's see. It is application. Oh, let's make them red. Should work. Nice. So, if you want, I can recap this. Let's see. 2 votes, yes. I need to make this, but I've been so busy this couple of weeks that I don't know if I've lost the train of this GitHub Copilot video. Probably this tomorrow. I don't know. Do you want to make this live or just a video? I made a lot of videos. Let's see. Let's see if I share this. Let's share this again on Facebook and on Twitter. Let's start to share this again. Okay. Let's say come say hi. Let's see if you come to say hi. Let's see, just one second. Let's see if someone comes. Perfect. Which camera is this, Dennis? This is the Sony A7 III Alpha JavaScript. It's which basic lens. The lens is the, I don't know, I should put them, but I have some pictures on Instagram if you want some setup porn. And do you like that or not? Let's try to change the color. Is it better? Let's say. I made so many videos, but for example, I don't know if my lighting, I'm never happy with my lighting. Let's see. Let's see if we can get someone before we close this. By the way, thank you so much for coming here. Let's see. I've seen, Eddie, that you have made a lot of videos on that. So, no. There are some people who say, one said no. If you said no, say why. Usually people always say yes. Nice. Everyone is a developer advocate. There is that meme like. By the way, Tab 9 sent me a lot of swag. Sent me a hat, a t-shirt, a bag, stickers, and a bottle, a great bottle. And a towel, which is this one. Great. I see so many people who has been on my YouTube channel. Dennis Ivy, Robert, Scott, Eddie, Jim. A lot of people. Michael Irwin. And so, where do you have your lights? So, now I have many lights. I have one ring light, another ring light, two professional photographer lights. Probably you don't follow me on Instagram, Robert, because I post there kind of a lot. They were a gift. At the beginning, it seems like that they were not so useful. Now I use them a lot. Also, this some RGB lights, and that's it. Nice. Thank you so much for your support. Yeah, this has been really an incredible year because sorry, I was trying to this has been really an incredible year. So starting making videos really changed my life. And yeah. And by the way, I've monetized my YouTube channel while I was doing a full-time job. Sony A3. Sony A7 III Alpha. I follow you. I just never open Instagram unless you stream. Okay, Robert. You should check my profile and like all my pictures. By the way, let's keep in touch, Robert. We should do something together. It costed me pure lens. With the lens, it costed me like 2,000-3,000 euros. So basically, I'm poor now. If you want to donate, it will be a very good idea. I had this idea to buy a new camera with my YouTube income, but I made like less than 200 euros with YouTube. So you should have wait for another 10 years, 5 years. So I made that for you. So I can also take this personally, take it more professionally. So it has been kind of expensive. I would love to create some stickers for people, a lot of stuff. This is also one of the reasons why I've not started on Twitch now. But I love to be connected with people. It's great, it's great. I remember when I made my first live stream, I think it was like December. I didn't even know what I was doing. So I said like, okay, let's try to make a live stream. It went really bad. Then I changed. And basically now I am here doing live streams. You need to get used to that. You need to be really shameless. But you can think about that. If you get used to live streams, you get a lot of more engagement. You get rewarded on this. What the hell is going on, Dennis? Thank you so much. Wow, that's great. This really made sense on all this live stream. Thank you so much, Dennis. And then sometimes it's not much. It's more about the idea. It's like a gift between the YouTubers. Yeah, thank you so much. This is really great. Great. By the way, Dennis, we should do something together. I started to collaborate with this Tiny Stack team with Flask and Django. So I'll probably send you some message soon because basically we are creating some default application. So I think it will start with an Express one with JavaScript, and then we will move on Flask. So I don't know if you have ever done something with Flask and Django. I already told to all my colleagues to go on your YouTube channel, get used to understand Django, for example. I made you some free promotion. So GitHub Copilot video 64% yes. Can you vote, please? GitHub Copilot video. Come on. Yes or not? Take a decision. 1 minute left. Nice. What happened here? Nice. Thank you. Denisavi, by the way, I have a poll. Let's wait another. Not everyone. I think that I'll put some of them down. There's also one picture of me when I would hit me up. Yeah, Dennis. I've been so busy this year. Do you know a funny thing that when I quit my job, I said, okay, probably I stay unemployed for 6 months. Instead, I'm working way more now. Plus Hunt, watching you made me want to learn Docker. Now doing it for machine learning production. Docker is not just related to machine learning. It's more about containerize an application. Thank you. It really helps me, and it helps other people to make live streams because there is so much work behind this. There is so much work. I don't know if you can see this. Probably I usually, what I like to do when I start a live stream, I like to put some picture of me, like the backstage stuff. But it's great. So yeah. So this is the idea. I'm trying to switch to Streamlabs from StreamYard. If you're limited with StreamYard, yeah, then I can show you how I can use Streamlabs. For the interviews, I highly suggest you Streamlabs with Skype. I know that we don't like Skype, but I can show you if you want. I've used that a lot for coding live stream. The only thing is that you lose the comment. That's the only killer feature of StreamYard, but I think that I'm starting to give it up because I can't give it's 25 euros per month. So it's way more what I earn on my YouTube videos. So it doesn't make sense. It's handy, but the quality is so bad. Nice. Thomas, come say hi. Come on. What's going on? What's your story? Chloe, how are you? What's going on? What happened on Twitter? Chloe, spelled your name wrong. See, yeah. If you send me the money, you can also be Francesco. No problem. You can make another donation. No, don't. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Robert. It really means a lot. Chloe, have you taken a pause on social media? Because I've seen that you have stopped using Twitter. It's good for interviews, but not for live coding. It's too much, Dennis. It's really too much. It's not that we don't have $50 per month, but it's a lot. It's $1,600 in a year. You can buy a quite kind of good mirrorless camera. Or you can go, you can eat sushi. Do you like sushi? With $500, I can go an all-you-can-eat dinner. But what is this? So, you want me to do something about Copilot? Okay, I can do this. Nice. I tried. Thank you so much. Robert. It really means a lot. And nice. Chloe, Robert, Dennis. So let's repeat for people who are just joined. There are some new people. So basically, I became a Docker captain. So I've joined the ambassador teams on Docker. Let me share something. By the way, another thing, I can make a spoiler. I've asked for Twitter verification. So let's see. Can check this. Wait a moment. This one. I'll be back, like I said, Arnold Schwarzenegger. I lost someone close to me and didn't cope well with it. I hope you're doing well. I'm sorry for that, Chloe. I didn't know if that was related to something that happened to you on Twitter or something like that, but feel free to take a break. Condoglianze. And stay strong. If you want to send me a message, I'm super happy. I'm a very good listener. So this is the link of my Docker Captain page. That's super crazy that I have this. Pratham, you are late. We need to do something together, man. Pratham Prasoon. I still remember the interview with him. We made this and I published this on the 31st of December. The best way to end this to 2020. Great. So, now I am a Docker captain. I am a developer advocate. And on Monday, hopefully, thank you, Pratham. Thank you so much. From the bottom of my heart, I'm looking forward to make something else with you before the year ends. I've not forgotten what we have talked about. Prego, Chloe. And what I was talking about, the reasons I study Python. Nice. Now it's getting to the dark side of JavaScript, but I always get this question, like, should I use JavaScript or Python? But it's more about the idea. Want to find the most happy Francesco ever? Go to the Docker site. Sorry for your loss, Chloe. Yeah, I made other pictures, but I was like super serious, super professional. Instead, that was really, they asked me like a picture, and I just took that and I sent them. It's not cut well, but anyway, Anyway, I love this. Report, put this on timeout, add moderator. Let me put Dennis Ivy as a moderator of this channel, and also Robert. Robert and Dennis, now you are moderators of my channel. Nice. What can we do a poll on? I really enjoy this kind of live streams. So, would you watch a video of me sharing my developer advocate journey? Yes or no? This is important. This is very important. If you can to answer to this, it will be great. No, Robert. Ignusa. This is the beer. By the way, sorry, but the Ignusa is a super great beer. 3 votes, 3 yes. Thank you. Because I think that there is very good to share my experience now that I know nothing about what a developer advocate is. So I'll make a live stream on that. I don't know if then I'll cut something or I'll just share this as it is. But the idea is to, you can come, you can ask me questions, I can take some parts. So I want to share this new job. It's basically a new job. Yeah. Thank you so much for staying in this live stream for so much time. This is great. This is great. This is great. Abimanyu. Did I pronounce that well? I hope so. I don't know. I should put some stickers. Yeah, I should hire some designer to create some stickers and something like that. There are so many things to do. I would love to start Twitch, make a TikTok, crush Instagram while doing Twitter, developer advocate, but at the end of the day, you need to choose something. You need to go on priorities. This is what you need to do. Robert, this is a great incentive because I don't know if this could be helpful for someone or not. So since you are saying yes, for me, it's a great motivation because if you want to make videos, you need someone to watch them. Thank you. Thank you. Of course, I'll make this a live stream, so it's easier for me. I don't need to edit them. Some people could jump and ask me anything because today it was a celebration. Now the beer is over, but today was just a celebration. On Monday, I'll just focus on my developer advocate role, what I'm doing, what should you do, how you can find this role, how you can interact with someone else. So everything will be related to my developer advocate position. So this is the idea. Francesco used to work for the European Space Agency and has been to the moon twice. Can you send me the link? I want to. Nice. Thank you, Chloe. This put a smile on my face. Rich Hub. Nice. 13 people already watching. Thank you. Really thank you. Because I like to... Yeah. Hey, Astrid. Thank you for joining. The company is Tiny Stacks. They don't have a YouTube channel. They don't have an Instagram account. They have a super small Twitter account. So this is a challenge, and I like challenges. So I can send you, but the idea is this tiny stacks, tiny, but they are super serious. They are expanding. They are very small now, but they are hiring like crazy. Like they are hiring like 5 people in a couple of weeks, in a week or so. So we are about 10 people now. So I like this idea that we are getting more people, getting more engagement. So I love this. I really love this. Nice. Thank you everybody for coming here. So you like this one. Let me make just another poll. So, okay, do you want 7 votes? Need to go now. Thank you, Robert, for wishing. Thank you, Robert, for coming back. So, this is an important. Do you want a weekly live stream on Friday? No. What I've done? No. Wait, I'll make a poll. Wait a second. Please, I'm a mess. Yes or no? No. Just a second. I like these polls. It's a great way to interact. This is really important. Take this poll seriously because I enjoyed this so much that I could start making this every week. Let's see. Be serious. If you don't want me to do that, there is no problem. There is really no problem. I just want to know if you like, for example, to come on this live stream, ask me questions. There is no problem if you saying no. If you think that this is not a good idea, please vote no. Nice. Already? 2 hours. That's crazy. I have to go soon because I have a meeting. Nice. So we have 3 minutes, 5 minutes. 2 people said yes. But that's great. That's really great. Volume pop. And this is amazing. This is really amazing. Nice. So I'll do yes from me. Enjoy this type of stream very much. Chloe, okay. This is interesting. 4 people are saying yes. Nice. Usually I could this like on Friday at 4:30 p.m. CT. Probably I need another beer. Probably I don't know. Any Kinoza. Who knows? It's great. It's a great way also for me to start to keep doing something on YouTube. But it's nice. Yeah. Thank you, Chloe. Thank you for joining. This really means a lot. It's one of the best ways to support me. Yeah. I also have some active supporters, but thank you so much because content you need someone to watch that otherwise it doesn't make sense. It's like a show. Nice. It's also a way for me, to see if someone is really honestly interested in what I do. Nice. Please vote. Vote the poll. Come on. Do you want a weekly live stream on each Friday, 4:30 p.m. CT or not? Should we put some music on? Probably next time. Some soft porn music. Nice. I see that Eddie is alive. Nice. Yeah. Thank you for joining. Thank you for sharing this. I see a lot of people. Yeah. Great. Thank you for coming. So I'll make a live stream on Instagram on Sunday 7 p.m. CT. On Monday probably around 8:30 or 8, I don't know, it depends on my working. I'll make a live stream about this developer advocate position. What music do you like, Chloe? This is a great question. I like a lot of kinds of music. It depends on how I feel. I love the 19th dance music, Gigi D'Agostino and something like that. I've been fan of metal music, even if you can say this just watching me. But I know kinda a lot of metal groups. I like also rock. It depends on how I feel, basically. Sometimes I also listen to some Einaudi, some classic piano music. Depends on how I feel, basically. Yes, Vijay. Have I pronounced that well? Chloe, have I pronounced that well? Vijay Krishna. I like people from India so much. Nice. This has been really an incredible journey on all the social media. It's great. Nice. 83%. So I think 5 people said yes. Please vote. Do you want a weekly live stream on Friday about this? They should be different because on Monday I'll make a live stream of me talking about developer advocate position. So that will be just related to developer advocate. You can come and ask me something related to developer advocate, but for example, I will not answer questions about JavaScript and something like that. It's more about what are you currently doing? Do you enjoying? How have you find this? How do you do that? What have you done? What will you do? So it's more about that. Vijay, Krishna, perfect. The secret is that just pronounce that as if it were Italian. Nice. 6 votes. Do you want a weekly live stream on Friday? Please vote. Because it's really important. It's important for me to understand this. Yeah. William. Nice. Yeah. So I think that now I'll close this live stream. It has been more than 2 hours. So thank you so much for coming. 6 votes. Thank you. What I've done here. Great. Thank you so much for coming. This has been really useful. I talk about thank you also for sticking with me. I become this Docker captain, developer advocate. It seems very interesting because I can create content being paid, which is probably the most. It's really a problem because when you create content, you don't get that much money. So have a nice weekend, Chloe. Buon fine settimana. Same to you. Anche a te. Should I make some Italian content? I don't think so. But there are some people from Italy that they want to invite me and talk in Italian. In that case, I can do that. If you really want me to listen my Italian. But okay. So I think that we are done for this live stream. Yeah. More than 2 hours. This is great. 2 hours ago. Yeah. So thank you so much. Thank you for sharing this. Thank you for interacting with me because this is not like meeting you in person, but it's close. It's close. So yeah, enjoy your weekend. Yeah, if you need some support and if I've seen you on one of my live streams, for me it's different to interact with you. I'll probably answer you way earlier. But the best way to interact with me, to make me a question, is to come on my live streams and just ask me something straight here. So we are done. Bye everyone. Bye.